Hi, this is Mazda 3. There's a problem when starting the engine in park position. It will start only on neutral. So to fix that problem, I need to get access to the gear switch, which is under this. So we need to remove this console to get access to that. Okay, so we need to remove the center console. It just pops up, so it's very easy. You just see that one comes here. Okay. So you remove this bit here. Okay. Make sure the parking brake is set. So it's very easy. You can take it out. Okay. Then we need to take this panel here. It's just straight away. You just pull it up. Okay. Just taking this out. So now it is in park. You can see if you want to start it, won't start. The problem is this is the linkage for the gear. This one. This is the linkage for the gear, and it's connected with a cable. This cable, and it goes all the way to the gearbox, in the center console. So we need to lubricate. Okay, I'm just lubricating the linkage. Because this is get corroded, and that's why it's not moving freely.